Okay, you look good. Does my mustache look? Oh, we're ready. Oh yeah. Hello, folks. Welcome to the new episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. And now we have moved it to race around rock to Japan. Yeah, isn't that cool? Yes. And Woody goes to challenge SpongeBob, the championship of Japan. And, well, yes. I like your new mustache. Yes. Yep, let's go to the track. Well, it's good to be on Japan. I can't believe I had to race with Maleficent. No, against me. Don't worry, he could win. I don't care. Tell me about it. Well, if you ask me, I was eliminated. Don't ask me. Okay, Woody, just make sure. Be careful out there. Okay. I'll keep it safe myself. Come on, Woodpecker! Come on, Woodpecker! Come on. Just maybe we should. I always win in the 2010 Villains Only race. And years ago. Oh, this is what you want, eh? Then let's do it. Okay, we're in a hiding place. Okay, Monsieur Lucius. He's ready to roll. Captain D, are you ready? Okay, Lucius, we'll do it on way. Come on, push it, push it. I guess I'll push it. Sounds good to me. Okay, we're getting started and ready. Get set. And go! And the race has started. And they're off on the Japan. Oh, sorry. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Almost got it. What's he doing on the show? Man, just calm down. Look at this. They're racing, but just being in danger. Come on, man. Don't be ridiculous. Just watch. Yeah. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, that's pretty fun.
Let's see who's gonna win. And now he's on the Japan trailer Destiny. Okay, Woody, I need you to teach yourself about Walter Land's your boss teacher since 1993. You mean like this? Wow, you did it.
Great job, Anna.
Okay, control my actions, control my actions, control my actions, control my actions. It is time. Roger that, Captain D. Patchmo. Whoa, no, I think Plankton has blown engine. Oh, no, I think he's out of the race. Who could have done such a thing? Can be wrong. Wait, who's that? Is that a same Panda in a barrel? Same Panda for the barrel? Yeah, because he's the American spy. What? Because he's in the pits. Not for long. I'll go get him. Go get him, Tiger. Oh, wait a minute. What is it, Janie? That's Acer from the party was. Huh? Yes, that's it. What? It could be alone. Oh no! Danny, you gotta help him. Danny, well, he already left. Yeah, tell him to get on the show. Now! Okay, we're on our way. Well, it's great to have him quietly. And now, and get ready. Can't you hear me? Over. Oh, what? Huh? Oh, shut that. Let's get out on the show now. Can't you hear? Hey, I know you. You're the girl from the party last night. Great. Girl, what? The date right now. What date? Oh, there's nothing on the date like this. Oh, guys, come on. Get this line. Oh, there it goes. Mordecai Rigby. But we got no much time. You gotta get out on the show. But come on already, ma'am. And we'll have the rest of the show. We don't got much time. Hey, come on. I'm trying. Get out now. Oh, okay. Say, wait, no. Where you going?
Hey, get back here.
We're gonna be so surprised. Danny Day Prime!
Hello.
Oh, look at that cutest little guy. You're here, and that little guy trying to kill us. Maybe this won't hurt you at all. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. Oh, gotcha. We're coming to get ya. Hey, why am I possibly going? Where am I? Gotta go check it around. Okay, we need our help. Come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. We gotta help him. Come on, let's go see the show. I wonder what happened. Shh, shh, shh. Quiet, boy. Hey, man, did you like some flowers? What? No, just keep going. Oh, what's that kid doing here? Oh, get out of here, yeah. That's right.
What? Out of here?
No.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. Hey, I'm gonna... Whoa, Clarence, it's out of the race. Somebody die. Hey. Dude, what's up? Come on, we got Joe Benson. Come on. Hey, it's getting... Come on, Shane. We got the other one. Good job. And this time you won't. And this time you won't able to return. I wonder what's going on. Hey, no.
No one hurts with my friend.
Hey, I'm stuck! Help me! Whoa, he's alive. Whoa. Hiya! Wow, it's just like in a movie Karate Kid.
And he just knocked it off his quick. He hears on the radio.
I'm coming! And the annoying orange is in the lead, and he's gonna cross the finish line. Say goodnight, pirate. Oh no, Jay! Oh look, it's the annoying orange. He's crossing in the finish line. Oh wait, boing! And now he's crossing the finish line. So that means we have a winner. The annoying orange won the race. And the crowd goes wild. You'll win again this time, Danny D. Prime. I will be back. Come on, retreat! 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 Hey, it's like a holograph. Where'd he go? Okay, everything's clear. Now you can get back to the show. Oh, great. Did I miss my first date? Okay, you're clear. We did it. We saved him. We saved that kid. Come on, let's get out of here. Anything else happen? You said it, Prime. Hey, Nino and Orange, we're on live. Did you say something about yourself? Oh, yeah. The first guy to be beat Woody Woodpecker and kick his butt and done. And Nino and Orange always wins at the 2010 Villains Only race. So anyway, oh my God. We all lose. Wait, where are you going? And this time, Mama's on. I can say this. Mom, Auntie. I'm like, huh? Oh, hiya. What is it? The race is over.
Why are you yelling? And I was racing.
So I saw the karate. Jesus would fight the pirates with flamethrowers. Wait, flamethrowers? Flamethrowers? Wait, what is that? Where are you? That was my date. Your date? What? Wait a second.
I lost the race all thanks to you.
And what are you looking at? Oh, gotta go. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry.
Your imaginary girlfriend flying forward, but nothing to these things. I don't need your help. I don't want your help.
But I walked our ass.
Why you
I said we're live. Yeah, what happened? Well, I have a mistake. I told him to never do that again. Look, I know the consequences. Oh, well, I guess that's enough for this episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. Hey, we're going to Monte Carlo. Well, that's it for tonight. Blah, blah, blah. Come on, let's go. Oh, wait. Oh, wait for me. Oh, look at that poor kid. Maybe we should follow him? Yeah, let's go.